First, unscrew all the screws on the front bearings. Then remove the front bearing cover. We use high-temperature grease. Add grease to the inside of the bearing. Use a tool to apply the grease evenly. Just cover the entire bearing. After greasing is complete, put the cover back in. Alignment screw hole position. Install the screws back. The screws must be tightened. Grease the rear bearings. You need to prepare a grease gun. Find the grease nozzle. Just add grease into it.